So hello everyone. Today we're going to be solving a nice system of equations. So we want to find the intersection points, and mind you only the real intersection points between these two given curves. So from the first equation we have that y is equal to square root of 2 over x. And now we're going to plug that into our second equation. So x squared minus 2 over x squared is equal to 1. Okay, so let's just go ahead and multiply both sides by x squared, so that now we can get that x to the fourth power minus 2 is equal to x squared. Or in other words, x to the fourth power minus x squared minus 2 is equal to 0. So now we've got a biquadratic equation. So we'll make the substitution. X squared is equal to t. So t squared minus t minus 2 is equal to 0. Great. Now we're going to go ahead and use the quadratic formula. So t12 is equal to 1 plus or minus the square root of 1 plus 8 everything over 2. So that is equal to 1 plus minus 3 over 2. So t1 is equal to 1 minus 3 is negative 2 over 2, which is the same as negative 1. And t2 is equal to 4 over 2, which is just 2. Now, since we said that t is equal to x squared, this part right here isn't possible, at least not as far as the real numbers are concerned, exclusively real numbers. So in the real world, this isn't possible. So this here is our only solution as far as real numbers go. So from here, it follows that x is equal to the square root of t, which would make x1 be equal to the negative, okay, I'll just write it down like this, to the negative square root of 2, and x2 is equal to the positive square root of 2. Remember that y is equal to square root of 2 over x, so y1 is equal to square root of 2 over the negative square root of 2, which is equal to negative 1. And in the other case, we'll just get square root of 2 over square root of 2, which is equal exactly to 1. So basically, we have two intersection points in the real world. And I'm just going to go ahead and call them A and B. A with the coordinates negative square root of 2 and negative 1, and B with the coordinates square root of 2 and positive 1. Okay, so this is our final answer to our problem, and we can just go ahead and kind of graph this a little bit. So I'm just going to go ahead and take the ruler. Okay. And when you graph xy is equal to square root of 2, you're going to get something like this. something a bit like this. So this is our x-axis, of course, and this is our y-axis. And when you graph x squared minus y squared is equal to 1, that's the equation of a hyperbola. So it looks something like this, and like this. So here we've got our point A, and here we have our point B. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If so, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So I hope to see you in the next one, and goodbye.